Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design, and in this video we will cover the linear pattern, circular pattern and curve driven pattern, which are mainly useful three, and other patterns are very advanced, so we will cover that later. Right. So let's start with the linear pattern first. So in the linear pattern you have to, let's say you have extrude this rectangle and you are cutting some circle portion like this, and I will do throughout cut. Okay, so this cut you want to do a pattern. Okay, so what you will do, you just go to the linear pattern and go to the direction in which direction you want to pattern. Okay, and also you can select the features or bodies. So there is no body right now, it is a single body. So for that you have to select the features, which is cut extrude, or you can drop down the menu and you can select the feature, right? So let's say this feature you have to pattern, and I'm selecting the direction, and also you have to give the distance, let's say 15 mm, it is enough, and 6 pattern. So accordingly you can give like 7, 8, and in the same you have to select the direction 1, direction 2, where you can apply your number of patterns in the vertical portion. Just like horizontal you did, you can do in a vertical, so you don't have to do the separate, right? And you can also the okay, 15 I have to give here, 15, and you can just reduce this. Okay, as you can see my part is now ready. Now if I want to do circular, so what should we do? Let's say I'm creating some body over here in this one, which is directly tangent to this, and I am extruding up to surface, which is the downside. Okay, I am not doing the merge result because okay, and yeah, so you want to pattern this in the circle, right? What you can do, you can just go to the circular pattern and select the direction. In the direction you have to select the circular portion, and you can give how many parts you want. Let's say these features I want. This is not a feature, so you can select the body and select the body, and yeah, you are good to go, right? Now if you want to skip any instances, this is the same in linear pattern, you can skip any instance. If you don't want the circle, then you can just select that, and you have to go to the full preview. So accordingly you can give okay, so it will create one pattern. The same pattern you can do in a linear, so it will look beautiful, right? So in the direction this direction, and what features or bodies you can give, bodies, this body, right? So this is how you can select the body, and it will create the pattern, right? This and this. Okay, as you can see my pattern is ready, a beautiful pattern it will create, right? So something like this you can do the in a circular pattern. Now we will move on to the linear curve driven pattern, where you have to create the sketch. Okay, so I'm doing some sketch like, let's say I'm closing this and creating a new part. Okay, and yeah, so yeah, I want to create one something like this, a body, yeah. Okay, I am doing extrude, blind, or mid plane. Okay, so this is this on this curve you have to do. So in this type of design, linear and circular will be not applied because it will create merge bodies in this one. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to select the curve driven pattern. Let's say I am drawing one curve over here. Okay, let's say I'm doing the convert entity, and it will create one sketch over here. Okay, I'm doing it, so you can see the sketch is there. In the sketch, if you want to do something like, let's say in the front plane only, I'm creating one body. Okay, and this body, and this is a tangent, and I'm creating one extrude. Don't merge. Okay, if you merge you have to select the feature. If you don't merge, then body. Okay, so go to the curve driven pattern mirror, right? So if you want to see the mirror, then select the mirror and select the body or features, and you can mirror that. It is very easy, right? So in the curve driven pattern, you have to select the direction. In the direction, select the sketch and features. Okay, so features, it gets selected now. Also body you can do, and you can select how many numbers you want. Okay, in 10 numbers you want, it will automatically adjust the distance between them, right? If you don't want, if you want to specify any distance, so you can just click it off, equal spacing, and you can do whatever distance you want to give, right? I'm doing equal spacing. So if you click OK, then it will create a curve driven pattern. Something like this you can do. Okay, so this is all for the video, and later on we will cover our advanced pattern techniques in the future video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Keep sharing, keep learning.